Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this super gorgeous nail set using dip powder. So for this look, I will be testing out the ProDip dip powder from Supernail. I purchased this 11-piece starter kit at my local beauty supply store. Stay to the end where I give my honest review, so let's get started. In the kit, we have a clear dip powder, a white, a pink, a beautiful dark red color called French Mauve, and a gorgeous glitter. So moving on, we have the prep, which dehydrates the natural nail, the base, which is the glue that holds the powder together, the activator, which hardens the acrylic powder and makes them last, and also the top coat, the cuticle oil, and the brush saver. Also have some lint-free cleaning wipes, disposable tray, and a detailed instructions. So I've already prepped my nails, so I'm going to go in with step 1. I'm just concentrating this on my natural nails only. I let it dry and then I move on to step 2. So I'm applying the base gel to my pinky finger a little further away from the cuticle area as shown in the instructions, and then I dip it into the glitter. I do the same for my index finger as well, then I brush off the excess. Now I apply base again, this time close to the cuticle. Dip it into the glitter at a 45-degree angle and pull it out and tap off the excess. Now on to the ring finger, I will be using French Mauve dip powder. I repeat the same process. Next, I'm moving on to the middle finger. I am using glitter and pink dip powder. I'm doing a chevron nail, so I apply base to the whole nail but stay away from the cuticle. I angle my finger and the powder in order to get the signature chevron nail. I leave it in for 4 seconds. I do both sides, and then taking a disposable tray, I pour pink powder onto my nail. This pink isn't very pigmented because I can still see the tip. However, it did what it was supposed to do. Then I apply base to the whole nail and I repeat the process once again. So on the thumb, I also did the chevron nails, so I repeated the same process as the middle finger. So now I encapsulate with clear dip powder, and I'm using the dip powder recycling system that came with the kit. So you want to use this when you have colored powder and you need to encapsulate it with clay. You don't want to dip your nails into the clay jar because you can contaminate the powder and get extra color into your clay. and you don't want that. Also, this step is important as far as encapsulating with clay because you want to be able to file and shape these nails without the color coming off. I did 1 coat of clay on each nail. Okay guys, here's the 411, right? When following the instructions, application was somewhat different compared to other brands that I've used, other dip powders. Their focus wasn't really to, well, ProDip's focus wasn't to build an apex, since they only require you to use base and powder on the whole nail twice. However, I was pleasantly surprised at how strong these nails were. They lasted as long or even longer than other dip powder brands and still looked great. The downside, however, is the structure of the nail. The nail was flat, which would be a problem for experienced nail techs that favor the look of a well-built nail with an apex, etc. But other than that, the kit is great, especially for beginners. You all need to have this. Anyway, these nails are strong. I loose out box braids with these nails on. The Janet Jackson type of box braid, the poetic justice types of box braid. Yes, that type. I was shook because I wasn't expecting them to be on after I was finished. But it's a great kit. Anyway, this is after filing and buffing. Now it's time to apply more activator. Yeah, so now I'm applying some gems. I'm sorry, but I didn't get a lot of footage of this because my camera was messing up. Now it's time for my first layer of top coat. Oh my gosh, look at that glitter. And by the way, this was my first time using dip powder glitter. It's nice, it's really nice. Now right after I apply my second layer of top coat, now it's time for cuticle oil. And this is my finished look, guys. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me feedback. Let me know what you think. Alright? I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!